Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you one-on-one on how to sell a Bitcoin and also post a trade post an offer so that other people who want to buy Bitcoins may come and see what your offer. So the very first thing, we log into the site. You can see the amount of Bitcoins that I have. This one is accumulating to around $300. So we'll come and see, and we'll see the people who are selling, who are buying. We'll just come and open in a different tab. This is a guy called Iron. Iron. They say we are dedicated to our customers, and we make it easy for you to sell Bitcoins and get paid on your perfect across Africa. Yes, you can see the guy has done over 3,000 plus transaction. Trade volume here has to 50 to 500 BTC. You can see first purchase was done 3 years ago. So I think this is a legit guy that working with them. So we'll come here and tell them sell. We are selling them the BTC. So he sells me sell BTC using M-Pesa Safaricom. So we'll come here and type out the whole amount of our BTC. Our BTC we have around, it says the smallest amount you can sell is 15K. Remember to write your payment details in the message box so that the buyer can pay you. So we will come here and see and be able to say, to click that what we need what we need is that we want to sell 0.09496 That is the amount of BTC, as I can see here, 194 96.98. We'll be selling our whole cash. So remember to write your payment details in the box so that they can pay you. So what we'll do, we'll come and say, it tells us how to proceed. Submit the trade request form, open a trade and wait for the seller to and the buyer to send the payment. Escrow is enabled automatically when the trade is opened. The buyer has 6 hours time to make the payment. Once you receive the payment, release the Bitcoin to the buyer. Read the ads, check the price, the item, watch out for fraudsters, review the traders' feedback, experience, take extra caution with recent created or modified accounts. Make sure you are ready to send and receive payments before sending the trade request. Make sure you are ready to send or receive payments before sending any trade request. So basically what we'll come here and say, remember to write your payment details in the box so that the buyer can pay. We'll click accept. When we click accept and send the request. That is the way that we'll have made a request. We will have made a deal. So before making a deal with this guy, I'll come and try to post a trade. Once the trade that I'm posting, I already have somebody here online telling me that I post a trade. They're telling me this is a guy that is speaking with me. They're telling me yesterday cheaper cash, right? I'm telling he told me to open a trade. It's 10. He's called Young Beats. So I'll come here and I'll be able to reopen the trade. Once before I head on, I'll come and review him. So we'll come here and say post a trade. I want to post a trade that create a Bitcoin trade advertisements. So they tell me that I want to sell Bitcoin online. What kind of advertisement do you wish? If you wish to sell Bitcoins, make sure you have Bitcoins in your local BTC wallet. enter location. For online trade, you need to specify your country. It's in Kenya. So payment method is either cheaper cash is okay. I'll see, because in Kenya the most used stuff is M-Pesa. I'd select M-Pesa. I'll select M-Pesa Kenya Safaricom, yes. Send and receive money with mobile phone in Africa. The risk of selling Bitcoin method is low. The risk when selling Bitcoin online with this payment is low. See the payment and method risk. So we'll come here and fill in Kenyan currency. The minimum transaction limit in Kenya shillings that I will be picking will be about around 5,000. No, the minimum I'll be picking is 1,000 Kenya shillings. Then the maximum trade that I can pick as per now when we come to sell BTC is 32,856. 32,856. And the maximum that I can pick is 33K. So I'll come here and see the currency is Kenya shillings. Price evaluation. Bitcoin in USD in versus Kenya. We'll come here. We'll just come to the new tab and see BTC. We will look at the local price in the local price. So it tells us that the BTC now is selling at 14,636. So we'll convert into BTC. Mine I have around 0.01949698. So it says me is around $270. So we'll come here and review. You can see Bitcoin is really going down. So we'll come here and select the price. The margin should be calculating the price. It should be, I want to make it this is the price that I'll be selling. Selling 1.6. Okay, let us look at 1%. This is the current price of the bitcoins. As per the trade price is around Kenya shillings. So I'll come and evaluate with this price. So I'll set that the allocation, the M-Pesa number, the margin that I'm just setting it at the price as the Bitcoin is. So minimum transaction is 1,000, maximum is 33,000. Terms of so it tells me before I post the trade that terms and condition M-Pesa cheaper cash is allowed. Those are my terms. Payment if necessary, provide details how to transfer the money. Those guys who will be having a serious buyer will always come and give me a good deal. Then at the example with the track liquidity turn on the maximum transaction sent to $100. I don't want to put limitations. I don't want to security options of identify people, identify people only, identify people for continuity, the real name. No, I just want to publish the advertisements. Once I publish the advertisement, and I think it will be good to go. It will be good to go. So I'll come and try to review where I've published that advertisement. So I'll come here and say sell BTC and see if one, yeah. So I'll prefer I come and sell to this guy. I'll be selling that too. I'll come and say accept. He tells me remember to write the payment details in a message box. So it tells me waiting for the buyer to confirm. I'll have to wait for the buyer to confirm. So we can see that as the payment method is to M-Pesa 0724737528. That is where they will be sending me, and I also accept cheaper cash. So I'll be able to send them a message. So we are sending a contract with this guy. He tells me I've already sent him. I'll wait. I'm told the buyer has not yet marked the payment complete, and he has 59 minutes to take the payment before the trade is automatically cancelled. When you release the payment, release the escrow. So once I click release, I means that I've released the coins to this person. So it tells me the escrow amount that is going to be charged. So what will happen? It tells me this is my escrow amount that I've put. The payment is this. Remember to give instructions to the buyer how to pay. So I'll wait for the 59 seconds for this person to write me a message. I can see maybe user was last seen 3 hours ago. I think it is good I think we will have to cancel this trade because the guy is not, I can see the guy is not around. If I make a mistake to click release the coins, I'll send the coins to his account. So your contact advisor is sent. Watch in your email, and I'll be good to go. Thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording.